And what's likely to happen if you don't take either the time to do this sorting all together, which it was tedious at times, but it felt like a big weight off my shoulders.
Right.
And I also had that space back that I needed. So first of all, I cleared out these items and I had this space, both of which made me really happy. But if you don't do this, when you go, most likely this stuff is going to get thrown out. People aren't going to know what to do, and you see it all the time. If you go into antique shops or you go into bookstores, you see these orphans. Orphans. I call them
orphan photos.
They're orphan photos. They're photos, some of the most amazing photos that are just discarded because nobody knows what they are, the story behind it.
Right, or why they were important. Yeah.
Sometimes I buy them just because the pictures are so amazing.
Don't even start, because sometimes I buy them and then especially if they have names, and I try to find the families they belong to.
Have you really done that?
Yes, I've totally done that. It's like I do that in my spare time. No, I do. And so I'll go on, I'll search on Ancestry and do like the genealogical research to try to find out who they were, and then reach out to people on Ancestry or other, places and say, I think I have a photo that belongs to your family. I do. I totally do.